the chapter number 1, Functions and Limits, exercise 1.2, grade 12. If you want my lectures of exercise 1.1, then you can visit my channel. You will get the lectures on all questions. Now I'm going to start question number 1. Question number 1 is the real valued function f of x and g of x are given. Find f of g, where f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equals to 3 divided by x minus 1, where x is not equals to 1. This restriction is given because if we put x is equals to 1 in this value, then 3 divided by 1 minus 1 will be equals to 0. 3 divided by 0 will become infinity, undefined. That's why here is a restriction that x is not equals to 1. Now come to the point that what is f of g? F of g means we can write it also f of gx. As you can see that f of g means we will put the value from g of x in the f of x. For example, we have 2x plus 1, but we have to put the value of g of x in f, that it will become f of gx. Value of gx is 3 divided by x minus 1. It will become 6 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1. As you can see that we have already read an trick for the LCM. We will multiply both the values that are written here in the denominator. Then after multiplying x minus 1 with 1, we will get x minus 1. Then you have to cross multiply this value and this value. After cross multiplying, 6 multiplied by 1 will be 6 plus x minus 1. You will get the answer x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. This is our required answer. Here f of g, if we have the question g of f, so what will you do? You will do the same. You can see for example, you have g of f. Then you can also write it as g of f of x. The value of g is 3 divided by x minus 1. Here you have to put the value of f in g, because g of f means put the value of f in g. So here 3 divided by the value of f is 2x plus 1. So put at the place of x minus 1 as it is. Now you will get 3 divided by 2x plus 1 minus 1. This one and this one will be cancelled out. Then 3 divided by 2x is your required answer. This is g of f. Now we will do the next part. The next one is we have to find f of f. Now what will you do? You will put the value of f in f again, because here f of f is 2x plus 1. You can also write it as f of fx. As you know, f is 2x plus 1, and you also have to put the value of f of x, where f of x is 2x plus 1. So at the place of x, you have to again put the value of f of x. So it will becomes 2 into x 2x plus 1 plus 1. It will become 4x plus 2 plus 1. 4x plus 3. This is your required answer. Now, the next part is g of gx. Similarly, as you do f of f, g of gx, you will put the value of gx in the g. As you know, we have g 3 divided by x minus 1, but at the place of x you also have to put the value of 3 over x minus 1. So 3 divided by x minus 1 minus 1, it will be equals to 3 divided by, we will take the LCM, x minus 1, 3 minus x minus 1. 3 divided by 3 minus x plus 1 over x minus 1. It will come in the numerator and it will become 4 minus x. So it's your required answer. Similarly, you can do all the questions, all the parts of this question. This was our first question and all the parts of this question we have solved. Now our second part is f of x is equals to square root x plus 1 . We have to find, firstly you have to find f of g, then you have to find g of f, then f of f and g of g. Part A is f of g. You can also write it as f of gx. Then you have f of x under root x plus 1 and you have to put the value of gx in f of x. Then it will become f of g. So as you know that the value of g of x is 1 over x square, then put in the place of x. It will become 1 divided by x square plus 1. You will take the LCM, x square 1 plus x square square root. You will separate out the square root in the numerator and denominator, then you will get the answer 1 plus x square square root divided by x. This is your required answer. I think I don't need any other question to solve because most of the questions have been solved there. If you have any problem in solving these questions, then you can tell me in the comments. I will provide solution for you. Now come to the question number 2 of exercise 1.2. We have question number 2. For the real valued function, f of x defined below, find f inverse of x, and b, you have to find f inverse of minus 1, and last you have to find c, verify f of f inverse of x, f inverse of f of x is equals to x. You have to find f inverse of x, f inverse of minus 1, and also you have to prove this. First of all, we will find f inverse of x, where we have question f of x is equals to minus 2x plus 8. As you know that f of x is minus 2x plus 8, let me consider y is equals to f of x, where f of x is equals to minus 2x plus 8. Here you have to find the value of x, because you have to find f inverse of x, then you will calculate the value of x from here, then it will becomes y minus 8 is equals to minus 2x. Here minus 2 will be coming to the denominator, then it will become x is equals to y minus 8 divided by minus 2, then it will becomes 8 minus y, because minus will come to the upside in the numerator, then 8 minus y divided by 2, as x is equals to 8 minus y divided by 2. So as y is equals to f of x, you can see y is equals to f of x, then what will be the value of x? You will take f from this side to this side, then it will become inverse. F inverse of y is equals to x. So f inverse x is equals to x is equals to f inverse of y, which is equals to 8 minus y divided by 2, but you have to find f inverse of x, so you will put the value of x in place of y, then it will become f inverse of x is equals to 8 minus x divided by 2. This is the value of f inverse of x.